What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, like the thumbnail shows, we're going to install a screen protector on the Model Y. The screen protector that we ordered from this website. I was watching a couple of videos on YouTube and I saw this website, and I went ahead and ordered the protector from them. They sent it in the night and did like a little nice, it looks like a little book cover, kind of like a hardcover thing to protect it. If you notice it's a little bent, that was my fault. I put a heavy box on top of it, but everything should be fine. Inside the package, there was this little, what looks like a rag to clean up the screen. Instead of using that, what I'm going to use, and I recommend you guys using if you're in the States, you can find these little kits that are used to clean glasses for the most part. But throughout the years, I found myself using this for my cell phone, for my laptop, for my computer screen. So I figured this right here is gonna do a good job cleaning the screen before we go ahead and apply the screen protector. So if you looked over here where it says top right here where the little car logo is at, and if you hit on where it says screen, there is an option right here. Excuse me that this is in Spanish, but if yours it's probably in English, you're gonna see an option right here, and I don't remember what it says when it's in English, but this button right here, if you click on it, this should turn the screen off so we can clean up. So let's see. There you go. And then I guess if you click on it again, oh, let me see. See, if you click on the little button that's gonna pop up, it'll come out. So remember, click on it once. If you want to get back out, again, sorry, this is in Spanish. These right here is a button. I don't know what I forgot what it says when it's in English, but you keep pressing if you want to go back out. If you keep pressing right here, there's going to be a countdown, and it'll go back to your regular screen. So let's go ahead and get this old screen cleaned up. You can see all the fingerprints already on there. So I'm going to show you what's going to look like once I'm done cleaning it with this kit. Just go ahead and give it a good clean up. I don't know if you can see fingerprints on this side, no fingerprints on that side. Might want to repeat the process. I sprayed, you can see it's still a spray right there. I sprayed just enough to cover the entire screen. Want to make sure, oops, drop a rag. If you ever drop a rag, make sure that you shake it, or make sure that you don't get nothing in here. Otherwise, when we put that protector on there, any little bumps that you leave on the screen is going to create a bubble under the protector. This is assuming that protector is just like the ones on tablets, which basically what we have inside the Model 3 and Model Y is a big tablet. So I think that's good enough. You can see right there, no fingerprints. Let's go ahead and open this box. All right now, so I figure all we have to do is rip these off right here. And we'll do this with one hand. Let's see if I should have got a blade, but there you go. Let's break through these. I noticed there's a rubber piece around it, and that's where the protector goes in. It's inside of there. So ideally you want to have a blade. I didn't have a blade, I'm going to be honest with you. All right now, so got it open. This is what they sent. Installation instructions, and the protector itself. Let's see what we get here. This is screen protector accessories. Let's see if I can rip this bag open with one hand and see what's in here. How am I going to do this? Let's see. How am I going to... Okay, all right. see right here. Oh, look, they sent a little one of those alcohol pads and a little rag. This rag seems to be a little too soft. I prefer the one that comes with the kit. So, and then other than the rag and the alcohol pad, they sent a dust absorber. And I guess this right here is a little guide sticker. Never seen one of these before. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this bad boy, apply it in there. Make sure that whenever you open, don't be taking this protector film or paper, whatever you want to call it. Don't take it off till you're ready to go, because of my experience doing installs on tablets and phones, the minute you take these off, if you have anything in your hands or anything, it'll just stick in there, and then you're gonna end up with more bubbles on the screen. So let me see what these comes in. Usually there's tabs, and I think that there's tabs right there. You see that on the corner? One tab says pull off, and the other tab, when you apply it in there and you take the other film off, and then the protector will be in place. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's like an envelope kind of thing. Let's see what we got here. All right, so when you get the protector out that little package, you're gonna have a tab in there. This tab right here, when you pull it, you're gonna pull a film that's on this side. What that tells me is this side is the side that goes on the screen, because it's gonna have the sticky part in it. Like I mentioned a little 2 seconds ago, when you pull the tab off, you're gonna end up with something like this. This side is the side that you want to apply against the screen, because it's the side that has the glue on it. Don't be trying to put the other side, like the underside. Is this side that you want to put against the screen. All right, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all stuck in there. What's up? Just want to sneak in here real quick and apologize. There was a part of the video that the video file got corrupted, and it happens to be the important part of the video where I show you how to apply the protector to the screen. I'm going to go ahead and use an iPad and a piece of paper to show you how I do it. This has been working for me for years for all kinds of stuff like computer screens and all that stuff. And I guarantee you, if you use this technique, you're going to have the least amount of bubbles possible on the screen. Remember to use probably a credit card would be a good option. The newest credit card that you have that has the edges all nice and doesn't have any bumps in it. Once you apply the screen, go ahead and use a credit card to push out all the bubbles towards the edges of the screen, and that should give you a really nice finish. So remember, this is the screen on your Model Y or your Model 3 long ways. You want to grab the screen protector on the edges, obviously, and you want to go as flat as you can towards the screen. This side of the screen, right, of the screen protector, line it up, and then gently just let it go on top of the rest of the screen. One important thing to remember: grab it in the middle, because when you grab the screen protector in the middle, once you set these two corners right here on the edge of the screen, when you grab it in the middle, it gives you a better idea whether you're lined up on the top or not. If you grab it like this and you have a lot of screen protector left on this area, it might look to you like you're lined up on these two corners, but you could be crooked. And by the time you set it in there and you let it go, I do not recommend lifting it and aligning again, because that's when by accident you might leave fingerprints on the glue, and that'll ruin your screen protector to the point where that's it, you're done. So remember, grab your screen protector around the middle of the screen protector, pick whatever side, this side or this side, whatever side you start on. Remember, you need to line that the best you can. And again, the reason why I'm telling you to grab it in the middle is because it gives you a better idea whether you're lined up correctly on this side right here or not. And try to lined up once with one edge and just let go of the screen slowly, and you should be good to go. Remember, use a credit card or anything similar to a credit card that's preferably plastic to go ahead and get those bubbles out. Hopefully you won't have a lot of bubbles on your install. You push them towards the outside of the screen. Don't go crazy pushing all over. No, you want to go to outside of the screen, outside of the screen, outside of the screen. In this case, when I have a long screen, like if it's an iPad Pro or something like that, in the case of the Model Y, I go, this is long ways, I go towards the bottom or towards the top, and that will give you a really nice finish. Alright, so screen protector is already being installed. Let me show you how that looks like. You might see like little fingerprints in there, but for the most part all the air bubbles came off and everything, just like doing a screen protector on a phone or a tablet. And you clean this up a little bit, and again, this is a website where I got it from. You want to go ahead and check them out, head to that website right there. And it's only, the screen is only like, I think the screen was only like less than $20 and the shipping was free. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next.